Our
So
world
you're
is
doing this on LinkedIn?
LinkedIn and email. In our world, our audience are not on the other apps. Our audience, CEOs, are on their emails and they're on LinkedIn. That is what they're on 90% of the time. So we
So
show
this
up.
is basically taking what you've been doing and using it for your clients.
Sorry?
So you're basically taking what you've been doing and now using it for your clients.
Correct. So can I share my screen with you?
Yeah, totally. Hang on.
Yeah, so this is what we do. I mean, if you can't track it, you don't measure it. So what we do is we just like everything. So because we've got AI now, because like I mean, look, Jacqueline, our messages is first. If you can't measure it, as I said, look, how many messages are going out it's just a number. So this is what we're inputting. Look, I said, guys, we got to get 4 meetings booked. I'm actually I get off the plane and I'm just getting meetings booked. The show up rate is 100% because we've got the personal brand. And then it just, so it's about how many numbers are we reaching month to month. So we're basically building up that sales system where that they have a pipeline, that your pipeline continues, and then we use GoHighLevel so that we have a mailing list as soon as they fill in. So that's what so this is now our core product is how can we build this? We've been calling, but I've stopped calling because email, cold messages and LinkedIn is working so well for us that so we use AI, as I said. It's working so well that like that's where our audience is. So that's really kind of what we're inputting in businesses is how can we just build in that system. So if you look here, again, it's a simple game of maths. If we email 1,000, let's just convert 1% of 1.5 thousand people.
Reply rate of 2% is really good.